Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to make my sister something. So I'm going to use some face wash. So let me get some face wash into my bowl. It's a face mask, sorry guys. So I'm not going to make her a lot. So I'm going to add some water. There's already some cornstarch in it, so I'll be right back. Stir it. I'm going to add some laundry detergent. I'm going to add some beads. Sorry if I'm taking forever, guys. I've finished mine, so I'm going to show you guys. So now, this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty good. So now I'm going to stir it. I'm going to add some cornstarch just to make sure. So I added some cornstarch into this process. I'm just saying you need a lot of cornstarch. So I'm just gonna get onto this. I'm gonna just add my ingredients right, and I'm gonna pause this so you guys don't have to stick around for a long time. Sorry. I actually stirred it to the process where it's gonna be okay. All I know, it smells gross in here. Sorry about that. That was my sister that I'm making this for. And then once you get this process done, you're going to have to do this and play with it. So I feel like hers is going to be better than mine because I added the beads last. She don't know what I'm making her, which is a good thing. So it's coming on to the process. I already added all of the ingredients, which is awesome. So, gonna pour some cornstarch in it. Just dip it into the bowl and stuff. Which this is a process I made. Mine is white. Hers is like a cute color. I have red beads. She has different colored beads, which is cool for her to have crunchy slime. So I'm going to go give it to her right now. See what she does. So I'm going to just like eat it as I go. What is this?
Slime.
Yes. It's for you. I already made me a batch. So this is my sister and I gave it to her right now. They're crunchy slime. Those are supposed to be in there. Sorry. For the last delay. I think she's gonna like it, so please comment down below and try this thing out. I hope it don't dry out because I think it will. My sister's is a little bit like sticky because I haven't kneaded it for a long time like I did to mine. So I'm gonna show her what it will feel like once you knead it a lot. This is what mine feels like. You can touch it, and that's what it will feel like when you knead it a lot. And if you need more cornstarch into it, just go in my room and add it. So she's just playing with her right now. She's like, Mom said no more slime stuff. But do you know that face mask we barely use?